Good morning everyone, here I am at the scrapyard. As I told you, I will come back and search through this and buy some boards. So yeah, I'll record after I'm done. I'll record what I have found. So yeah, so here is the e-waste part. Tons of e-waste, tons of boards. Let me show you. All kinds of boards. And I'm searching, the boards are already out, so I don't take the time and unscrew the screws and so on. Look at this, look at this. Some drumsticks. Oh yeah. See you later. So this is it. This boards, this bag and this bag, I managed to pull out all kind of motherboards, slot cards, gold fingers. Yeah, about 30 pounds, so 13 kilos. Yeah, I will make videos about this, sorting and grading and so on. So stay tuned. I'll see you next time.